Hello, we are Noah and Abril, and we are going to do this experiment.
This experiment is made with Coke and Mentos. First, we put the Coke on in a glass, and then we throw the Mentos in there.
Eh, the Coke emits CO2 because of the surface of the Mentos.
Bye!
Great.